solutions which we need to find. Another big change that has taken place is that this much adumbrated globalization, which came with a tsunami like impact and made such a powerful impact on our policymakers, on the media, on our intellectuals, that has been reversed by Trump. Trump is very clear. We are no more for globalism, we are for Americanism. He expressly says so. Another thing which he has done, which constitutes a completely reverse position taken by Japan and America, is America printed $4.5 trillion till about 4 months back. Now Trump has decided we will not print the dollar anymore. We will withdraw the dollar from circulation. $40 billion every month he has begun withdrawing from circulation from October 2018. On the one hand, the dollar is needed more and more. America is withdrawing dollar from circulation so that the dollar value will go up. America is happy about the rise in the dollar value. But the Indian economists are thinking lower Indian rupee value is good for economics because exporters will benefit. You can understand the dollar value was 45, now it is 70. I don't think exports have picked up to the extent of the fall in the dollar value, but the economists continue to insist on a lower rupee value because that is a philosophy for us. That's an ideology. American dollar value will go up. Because of that, imports into America will become cheaper. So Trump has a solution for that. Levy import duty on imports which are coming in so that the goods will not be cheaper. And now if everything goes in Trump's way, he is going to impose 25% duties from January on $500 billion imports of China. Afterwards, what will happen to China, no one knows. Because China has established factories for America. And the foundation of globalization has been shaken. Multilateralism has been completely delegitimized. Unilateralism has become, if Trump does it, every country will do it. Trump has unilaterally imposed duties on aluminum imports and steel imports from European Union, from Canada. You may find fault with Trump. But Trump has given such growth to America. Whether Trump is there or not after 2020, the Trump policies can never be given up by Americans. Any president who comes will find it difficult not to follow the policies, because if the consequences are difficult, then he will have to take responsibility. So the Trump phenomenon will last beyond Trump. Is there any Indian discourse on this point? Have you ever read an article like this? Any economist speaking like this? Any of the pink newspapers discussing this subject?